I have been called a lip balm addict because if I don't put my lip balm on 2 to 3 times a day, I feel agitated. And if I'm putting something on my lips multiple times a day, I want it to be safe, healthy, and free of chemicals because basically you're kind of eating it. So I make my own lip balm because if you look at the ingredients list on any store-bought lip balm, there's going to be a lot of chemicals. You don't know what they are, preservatives, you name it. So it's very easy to make your own. All you need is about 2 or 3 simple ingredients: an oil and basically a thickener like beeswax. I also like to use a thickening moisturizing agent like shea butter or cocoa butter, but that is optional. So super easy. I start with my little glass jar that I'm going to heat up and I put my oil in it. When it comes to oil, you want it to be a heat stable oil because you're going to heat this up. You don't want something like a fragile oil like extra virgin olive oil because it's going to get damaged when you heat it. So I've used coconut oil, almond oil, today I'm using sesame oil, and I don't make very much at a time. This is all I'm going to make today because oils go bad. They get kind of rancid. So unless you keep your lip balm in the fridge, it's going to go bad at some point. So if it starts to smell funny, you need to make a new batch. So I only used a tablespoon of sesame oil today, and then I use about a half a tablespoon of beeswax, and then I also added about a teaspoon of some shea butter. And then I'm going to heat this up in the microwave for about 20 seconds at a time until this is all dissolved in the oil, and then walk away for an hour or two. And then you test the texture. If your finger falls right into it and it's too soft and oily, you need more beeswax. If it's hard as a rock, you need more oil. So then I heat it up again in the microwave so it's liquid again and add whatever ingredient you need more. And again, sit it out and let it harden and see if it's the right consistency. When it's solid, then I take my lip balm and a butter knife and I just take out the lip balm and smear it or put it in a little container that I keep in my purse. So it'll fill this a couple times, so it makes plenty. And let me think, any other words to the wise? If you'd like to kind of flavor or put a scent in your lip balm, when it's already made, so when you get your thickness to its desired level, you can heat it up again, and as it's cooling, add like a couple drops of essential oil because those are fragile oils, you don't want those heated. Other than that, there you go. Healthy lips at your fingertips. Research shows that clicking the thumbs up and subscribe button will make fingers healthy and strong, and besides, it's free.